in the whole Africa, we've been having very many big problems of malnutrition. We are trying to use this nearly endangered grasshopper species to create a nutrient-rich oil high in the omega-3 and the omega-6 fatty acids, essential for growth, metabolism, as well as brain development.
We have so many byproducts, but they're not going to go to waste. Those are going to actually be made into chicken pellets. They're going to serve as food for the chicken feeds. That also means that the chicken feeds, there'll be more production of eggs. There's going to be more of job creation to the farmers who will be taking care of that. There's going to be more fertilizers, which is going to go back all the way to the first system of growing more grasshoppers. Malnutrition is not just a simple problem, it's systematic. It's a wicked problem. Within this project that we have, that is actually rooted on a circular economy, we'll also have the ability to tackle on the other problems that are attached to malnutrition as well.
If someone is concentrated in a specific field, you know that there's some skills they're not going to be having. So I feel like the whole blending of different ideas and capabilities, it has really led us this far.
This is a great validation. Once we get this recognition from such a big competition as this, it's going to be an opportunity for us to show to the government that this can also be a solution that can actually be considered.
These are people with so many different good ideas, with so many perspectives, because they're all going to be coming from so many different nations. And this is going to be a very big opportunity for me to continue learning and to continue broadening my knowledge. That is why we are here. That is why we're living in such a beautiful country right now. So to me, that has given me hope that I can also try and contribute using my knowledge, using my skills in whatever way I can to my society.
All we have right now is nothing but determination. All we have now is nothing but strength. Just look forward and try to make our country better in our communities and the whole region at large.